Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel at the Red Crochet with Zara, where we bring creativity to life one stitch at a time. I am Zara and today I am super excited to show you how to crochet this adorable bow. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, this project is quick, fun and perfect for adding a cute touch to any outfit or gift. Grab your hook and yarn, settle in and let's get ready to make something beautiful together. So, let's get started. For this project, we need a 4-ply yarn, a 3 mm hook. This hook is slightly smaller than the recommended size as we have to make the bow rigid and tight, a scissor and a weaving needle. So let's get started by making slip knot. Insert the hook into the slip knot and tight the knot. Now work 51 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now I have made total of 51 chains. Now work half double crochet from the second chain from the hook. Now we're gonna skip the first chain. Now work half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, pull up the loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This stitch is called half double crochet. Now work 4 more half double crochets, total of 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now work 4 slip stitches in next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again work half double crochet in next 14 chains. Yarn over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now work again slip stitches in next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now work again 14 half double crochets in next 14 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now 4 slip stitches in next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have total of 5 chains left. Work half double crochet in next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how we ends over row 1, and it looks like this. Now for the row 2, chain 1 and turn. Now over row 2 to 4, we have just made row number 1. Now row 2, 3 and 4 are the same. I'll show you only the row number 2, row number 3 and 4 I will make at the back camera. So now chain 1 and turn, yarn over and work 5 half double crochets in back loop only. You can see this is over full stitch. Now I'm gonna work in this loop only. This is back loop. This is my back loop. In every stitch we will work in back loop. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, pull up the loop and pull through all the 3 loops. Again work 5 half double crochets in first 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in next 4 stitches we will work slip stitches. Insert the hook into the back loop, pull up the loop and pull through 1 loop. 2, 3 and 4. Now again work 14 half double crochets in back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now again work slip stitches in next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again work half double crochets in next 14 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now work 4 slip stitches in next 4 stitches in back loop. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you have 5 stitches left. Now work 5 half double crochets in last 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this is how it looks. Now row number 3 and 4 are exactly the same as row number 2. We have to work the stitch pattern. We have to follow the stitch pattern in back loop only. Okay, I'll meet you then. Now I have made total of 4 rows. Now that's how it looks like this. Chain 1 and slip of the yarn. Now take the weaving needle and hide the tails. In the same way, hide this tail. Now put this aside. Take the yarn and work a slip knot and work total of 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook and work half double crochet in each chain until you reach the end of the chain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now chain 1 and slip of the yarn. Just take a slip off after taking a long. Now fold the, this is my good side and this is my wrong side. Now fold the tie in such a way, just fold it in the middle and same in this way that it makes a bow. Now put the tail end of this part into the weaving needle and wrap it around in such a way and pass the needle now make a knot and now pass the needle so it will not lose its shape. Just make 2 or 3 just pass the needle 2 to 3 more times so it will not lose its shape and sew it a little. And again tie the knot and slip off the. It looks like this. Now hide the ends. And there you have it. This cute crochet bow is not only fun and easy to make, but it's also incredibly versatile. You can use it to decorate headbands, add a charming touch to gift wraps, or even create unique accessories. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. I would love to see how you use your crochet bows in your projects. So be sure to share your creations in the comments below or tag me on social media at @crochetwithzara. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crocheters. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting. See you in the next video. Until then, watch the videos of your own choice given on the screen. Thank you so much for giving me your time.